What's going on YouTube? My name is Zack Stenstrom and welcome to the channel. So it is a gloomy, wet Father's Day and my car was clean, or is clean right now until I pull it out and do this. But like I said, Sunday we finally got the 22s back on and we got the car at ride height. So we're just gonna roll it over to get the fenders rolled now. And now that I have the wheels on, I can test and make sure that we roll it enough that these clear or that it's a lost cause. One or the other, we're gonna figure it out today. But that's where we're going now. I'm not running blah, 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 blah. I'm not gonna record while I'm driving, so I will see you guys there. Okay guys, so it's funny, I come over here and Ben has another customer in the garage. He already had a few customers over. It's like going to my house on a weekend whenever I randomly have people coming over doing side wraps or installs. So it's pretty funny, and it's good to know that I'm not the only crazy person that likes to work on cars all weekend. So let's go ahead and introduce Ben. He's over here doing this thing. I'm trying to stay out of his way. Oh, hey, at least I know a good rap guy, so I might be able to fix it. So it was funny, whenever I went to your profile and it said Fender God, yeah, that's me. I was like, I think I can trust him. So it came highly recommended by another buddy of mine with a Bag 300, so I knew this would be in good hands. Come to find out, he is one of the, we'll say founders? You founders of Mondays Don't Suck? Yeah, one of them. So it's funny because I've gone to that meet countless times with friends and never knew that. So fun stuff. I'll say Ben got this side knocked out. I'm trying to stay out of his way because I like working on things. But we decided that it needed to go ahead and trim some of this wheel well out, because if not, it was just gonna roll it up under and cause issues. So
yeah, also if you air it out, yep. If you air it out with that piece of the fender liner in there, every time you air it down, it would push it up and it'd make a bunch of stupid noises, and nobody wants to hear that.
So like I told him, I usually like to do everything myself, but I would have bought this tool and I would have experimented on my car, and all of y'all would have got to see it on YouTube, whether I destroyed something or destroyed my wrap or whatever. But it made more sense to let someone who knew what they were doing do it. Even though I very rarely do that, I usually like to do everything on my own, mostly because I'm cheap. I think I say that a lot on my channel. But I'm gonna let him do his thing. I'm gonna quit talking in the garage. Oh, well, we had a mishap over here. It scared both of us. So I decided to play with my wheel over here. And as he's working and I'm hanging out talking to him over here, the damn thing falls over onto the jack, face first. But there's no damage. So thank God for that, because I don't have time to fix it before we leave for Mississippi. Now I'm done talking. I'm gonna let him do his thing. I don't want to really document how he's doing it because
it's the same as everybody else doing it.
It's the same as everybody else doing it. But fair enough. All right. Did you already trim this side?
Yeah, I trimmed some of it out already.
Oh, okay. So
is this mine?
Or is this from another car?
Yeah, that's yours. All right.
So we don't need this shit. So he's giving it heat. So I guess that's to so what would you say that does to the paint? So just softens it up?
Yeah, so paint around corners is always super thin, and if the paint's gonna crack anywhere, it's gonna be on a corner or an edge. So all the heat does is it just makes it malleable, so it'll form around that after you bend it up in there, because you're pretty much stretching the metal.
Yeah. So, and if you guys can see, This is actually really fun to watch for me. I'm sure some people hate it, but as you can see, it actually, giving it heat, the wrap held really well too, rolling all around. So let's see if we can get it straight up and down. So now my lip on that rear wheel well is straight vertical instead of a horizontal plane. So I should be able to tuck the rear fine. Now while we were here, we decided to go ahead and test. We aired out the front, and the fitment, I can't get a good, I don't know. There is enough room. It lays out fine in the front, so we're only doing the rear. So saved him time, saved me money. He's got other projects lined up, showing up. So, wow, you're done with this side, huh?
I'm done.
Fender God. So I'll put his, I gotta find your Instagram. Do you have an Instagram? I'm assuming you do. All right, so I'll find his Instagram. I'm gonna put it down below. If you're in the DFW area, I'm throwing you a plug right now. Do you want it? Do you want the side business?
Sure.
Okay, so I'm gonna put all his info down below. If y'all need y'all's fenders rolled, or I don't know, you can hit him up and see what all he does. But we've been here, what? I'm gonna say maybe 45 minutes tops, and that's for me. That's me pulling in the garage, maybe.
Not even. I think this whole process took about 25 minutes, 25 minutes.
Yeah, so that's pulling in the garage, jacking it up, taking the wheels off, getting the tool set up, knocking out each side, trimming the fender wells, and it's done. So yeah, this is a lot quicker than what I was gonna do, and
A lot less time on YouTube.
yeah, a lot less time on YouTube, but hey, you know, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Actually, you know what? We're gonna lay it out here in a second anyway. I'll pull it out the garage. We'll see if it tucks the 22s. And there's the quick fender rolling video. I mean, shit, I didn't even get to record. I'm glad I at least pulled the camera out for this one, because that was quick. See you guys in a minute. We'll see if they fit. Okay, so as you can see, he's got his next customer in the garage. They were waiting. And, well, we've got zero problems with fitment now. So as I said, the front, there is no clearance issue. The rear, now there's plenty of room for activities, aka, or quote, that's what Ben called it. That's what he said. Yeah, we got plenty of room in here now. Again with the front. Yeah, buddy. All right. So let's I dig it. And so his car makes more horsepower than mine, and it's significantly lighter. So I was impressed. Now, okay, like I said, I'm gonna put his information down below. I'm not gonna put his pricing, because you can talk to him if you need anything done in the DFW area. I'm just gonna put his Instagram, because I'm not gonna put his personal Facebook. Dude killed it. Super quick work. It's Father's Day, so now I gotta run to my parents. So I'm very pleased with that. Where you at, Ben? Ben, thank you, sir. I really appreciate it. That was quick.
You got it, man. Let me know if anything else.
Which isn't always a compliment, but in this case.
Hey, it all works.
Hey. I mean, yeah, if you're happy, you're happy. Thank you, bro. I'm out of your hair. All right, I'll see you around.
All right, have a good one.
Okay, guys, so we're done. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell for notifications, because we are almost ready for scraping the coast.